Okay, now let's take a start with Ielts speaking part 1, and your topic is about gifts. What's the best gift you have ever received?
I have received many gifts, but my last birthday,
On my last birthday,
on my last birthday,
I received.
I received a mobile phone from my father. This is the best gift that I have still received.
This is the best gift that I have ever received.
That I have ever received because I wanted to buy this phone, but I have no
I wanted to buy this mobile, but I did not have enough money.
I did not have enough money to buy this,
So my father gifted it to me.
so my father gifted it to me.
Okay, do you give gifts or do you give expensive gifts?
No, I did not.
I do not.
No, I do not give expensive gifts because I am a student and yet I am not earning money because I often give the chocolates or some simple gifts to other.
Okay, so therefore, I often give some simple gifts like chocolates, candies, and all that. What do you give others as a gifts or as gifts?
Mostly it depends upon the person.
It depends upon the
It
person.
depends upon the person and the situation. I on to my friends I often give perfumes and flowers, flowers, etc. And to my family members, I often give the chocolates, clothes,
Chocolates and clothes.
clothes,
Clothes.
cologne.
Okay, what kind of gifts are popular in your country?
Uh, it depends upon the person and the situation. I live in Pakistan, and Pakistan is a Muslim country. Here mostly gifts are given on the Eids and birthdays. On the Eid ceremony, most of the elder give money to the younger ones as a gift.
Okay, overall it's good. Keep it up like this. Okay, they are better than before. Let's go on. I'm going to ask you some questions about jokes, comedies, etc. Are you good at telling jokes?
I don't think so because a few days, few weeks ago, I started it as my passion, and one of my friend told me that I'm not.
One of my friends told me.
One of my friends told me that I'm not perfect in because I was copying the stuff from Google and from other sites. I was not creating my own things.
Okay, so to answer your question, I'm not good at telling jokes at all.
Yes.
Conclusion.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay, do your friends like to tell jokes?
Yes, a number of my friends would like to crack jokes when we do get together and in our leisure or free time.
In our leisure
In
or
our
free
leisure,
time?
in our leisure or free time. Leisure free time. We searched and one of my friend have a collection.
One of my
One of my
friends
friends have a collection of
has a collection.
has a collection of jokes. So we would love.
Okay,
to
your
read.
answers are getting longer. Just try to answer to the point in 4, 5, 6 sentences. Okay, otherwise examiner will interrupt you. Do you like to watch comedy programs?
Yes, I would like to watch comedy programs, but due to my tough routine or tough routine of studies or jobs, I'm not able to attend some events. But I would love to watch.
Okay, have you ever watched a live comedy program?
Uh, yes, I have. When I was 17-year-old, I went with my father to a concert where number of celebrities,
Number of celebrities.
celebrities,
Celebrities. Celebrities came.
celebrities came, and that was one of the best show
One of the best shows. After one of the, we use plural.
Yes.
One of the best persons, one of the best friends, one of the best shows
Shows
I ever
I have
watched.
watched.
All right, this is better, but you should improve yourself. Okay, thank you very much.